Abdul Wadud says, is thinking or saying to someone, it would have been better if I did this in the past rather than what I actually did, does it come under shirk? For example, saying to someone, if I wrote A answer instead of B in the exam, I would have got good marks. Does this come under shirk? The answer is no. It doesn't come under shirk, but it is under the prohibition of saying, I wish I've done so and so. Because the Prophet ﷺ told us that it opens a door for Satan to whisper to you and to mess up with your mind. The Prophet said, and don't say, had I done this and this and that would have happened. But say, whatever Allah wills and decrees will take place. So this is submitting your will to Allah, something that has already taken place. Why feel regretful over it and say it? You have to submit your will. It's gone. It's done. And this opens the door for shaitan, because if I gave my son the medication, he wouldn't have fallen ill. He wouldn't have died. And it starts to eat you from inside. And this means that you do not submit your will to Allah. This is something that Allah has preordained 50,000 years before He created the universe, before He created the whole creation. So it's been preordained and done and over with. It took place and happened. What's the use of saying, if I were to book an earlier flight, I would not have missed my flight, but I didn't. You've already missed your flight. So what's the point of regretting and feeling remorseful over it? It's only what Satan does best to mess up with your mind. But is it shirk? No, it's not shirk. You believe in Allah Azza wa Jal, but you're regretful. Does it decrease my level of iman? Yes, indeed. Because you're not submitting fully to the decree of Allah Azza wa Jal. And you're not believing in the sixth pillar of iman, which is to believe in Allah's predestiny, whether good or bad. Part of the belief is to have this content, to have this surrendering to what Allah has chosen for you rather than to object in such a fashion. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.